If anybody else were to say the things that he says, it would not be okay. But when he says it, it's like it's expected.
It's absolutely hilarious.
It's good.
Watch me turn into a werewolf, and I will haunt till the break of dawn. Don't you dare to try to stop me. This is the horn of the Black Swan.
What is up, Insomniacs? Midnight Sun 518 here, back with another awesome overlanding video for you. Not really overlanding, it's more of just a camping vlog. Yes, this intro is being done after I went on the trip because I totally forgot to film one before going out. So over the weekend, went out and got to check out a pretty dope new campground, the Black Bear Family Campground, something like that. It's in Cedar Mountain, North Carolina, right over the border of South Carolina. And then we got to go check out Bridal Veil Falls in North Carolina, a little bit of a hike to get out there, and freaking awesome, really cool. So went out with some friends, had a great time. Yeah, we're gonna hop right into it right now. Is it rolling? All right, cool. Hey, what's up? It's Insomniacs Midnight Sun 518 here, and we are going out on another adventure. We're gonna be heading up to Cedar Mountain, North Carolina, meeting up a whole bunch of friends and doing a little bit of a camping trip slash hiking trip. Hopefully get a little bit of drone footage out there for you. Should be pretty sick. Anyways, it's about a 4-hour drive, so see you when we get there. We're learning how to play the uke. Hell yeah, while driving. Oh, I'm not doing it. I feel like that's a great idea though. That'd be a lot of fun.
Learn how to play ukulele
while driving.
Dude, imagine
make a hell of a video.
You know the meme where it's like, you know, what happens when you get in a car accident? Does your music stop or does it keep playing and then it starts doing some freaking trap music in the background? It's like that, just me on a ukulele. Come on, Jerry, play that song.
I am, can't you hear it?
Yeah, this is super pretty.
Oh yeah, I love this. There's a snake right here.
Is it?
I think so.
Nope.
No?
Lincolnville Road. Lincolnville. That's cool. Yeah, why is it on a trailer Like, I don't understand. What is this purpose? How do you get that off of there?
With the trailer.
You back up and hitch up and then hope it doesn't fucking explode when you drive off of this thing? Yeah. It doesn't even look like he has a ramp. Look at how cocooned this man is in the corner. Oh my god. What are you doing over there? Probably should have brought my phone up here, but you get signal. Holy shit, bro.
Oh my lord.
This is wild.
Like this.
Wow.
Dude. Same height. The world is flat.
So, dude, look at all that mountain peak over there. Like waterfalls or something coming down. You think? Don't go falling down this. I just realized I didn't bring any real shoes,
Ooh, I found.
which means I'm hiking in sandals tomorrow. Smile, you're on camera.
Like 2 deer passed through the volleyball.
We're capturing the genius.
Oh shit.
The genius is at work.
And it started 10-minute timer for
That's a good way
these.
to sear the outside and not cook the inside, I think.
And that's steak.
That's a good steak right there.
Yeah.
Fuck
Oh,
yeah.
that's steak. Okay.
Yeah, that's steak. There is some chicken.
There is chicken in there, yeah. You don't want to do that with the chicken. I like
don't
my
wanna do
chicken
that
raw,
with
bro.
chicken.
You don't like raw chicken?
No, I don't like.
All right, it's
chicken.
done. I'm ready to eat it.
No.
That is such a cool idea. It's a little like a Pop-Tart drink. Or,
Well, it's really meant for s'mores, but
is it actually?
yeah,
That's a great idea.
More stuff.
but like it's got three different little compartments in it.
Yes.
It honestly squishes them
One
too
way or
much.
another, we're doing s'mores right now.
I'll be right there.
There you go. Marshmallow.
Nice.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Yeah, we're gonna cook it over the blue flame because that's healthy.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna catch fire.
Oh yeah.
Screw you.
Are you actually doing a Pop-Tart? That's sick.
It's a s'mores pop tart.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Bro, that's wild.
What a man.
Ah, that's hot.
That's a really neat little tool you got there. I need to hear the words of wisdom. What you got?
Absolutely. Praise the Lord, drink the beer.
I feel that. Anybody else got words of wisdom?
Go to bed.
Speak. You say go to bed?
Go to bed.
Some hot water for the French press going. This thing is amazing. Yeah, that is comically huge. It's so distended. Dude, it looks like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Yeah, the side's puffed out.
How many miles total are we tracking?
I think 2 each way.
Okay. That's
Get it on verbal leaf. It doesn't work very good, I'll say that though.
Anyone want to go dipping?
Nope.
There is a ladder.
Or a fire truck.
What? Summit elevation. Forest service. I think I might actually care about picking my daughter vacation home.
Alright.
It's one way to get down.
Oh no, way to do it.
Yeah, it's just a smidgen. That is so cool. You tired?
Probably. Winded.
Lily. No.
Here's the situation. We've already lost 3 of our group. We're down to, what did we start with? We started with 9 on this trip, so we're down to 6.
Terrible accident. We lost our means of surveillance.
Yep, we lost our drone.
Plane crash.
Yeah. Pretty sure one of us has been murdered.
Bear trap.
Yeah. And the other one is taking the shortcut through there to meet up with us over here. And I'm pretty sure he's been eaten by the Wendigo. Still missing 2. But we got the others. That's a solid hike.
Day 7.
Day 7.
No food or water.
Dude, imagine if we get out to the car and our phones suddenly start blowing up with text messages from like 8 years ago. And then there were 3. Yeah, but they don't have car keys. That was quite the adventure.
Oh, yeah, that was. It really was. It was definitely worth it.
It's a shame we let that guy die.
I know, man. Oh, yeah. It's too bad we lost.
Back. Rest in peace.
It's too bad we lost Timmy. Yeah, unfortunate.
I don't think anybody liked him anyways.
Yeah, fuck that guy.
Oh, damn. Yeah, it is.
How many dudes does it take to set up a canopy?
More.
I'm just here, dude. I'm not doing shit.
You're the monkey in the middle that didn't give a shit about this game. This is the mothership.
Keep going around, Tar.
This is my time.
I put this leg in the fire.
You need to go to the right.
Yeah.
You need to put one right in the center. Damn, look at it.
Are we gonna try it again?
Yeah. Okay, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty
Throw
much
the whole
all.
thing in there.
No.
Where's the propane?
Upside down on top of the fire, they'll clean it out.
You
Hey,
count.
does anybody else want to watch this?
We're watching from a safe distance.
Just be like 3, 2, 1.
2, 1, go.
Oh, someone got it real good. Wouldn't want to work with these guys.
Jesus Christ, these are my coworkers.
Yeah, they may be plotting to kill you.
It's glorious, bro. It's absolutely glorious.
I think he'll think he's more of a mediocre boy.
You're on camera right now.
My people own the cameras, all right?
You ought to know better.
The Jews? I disagree.
I didn't say that.
I disagree. Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna be packing up and making sure that everything's kind of put away. It's supposed to be raining in the morning, so we want to make sure that it is, for the most part, dry, so that we can dry the least amount of things tomorrow when we get home. So, just kind of getting everything cleaned up and heading off to bed. So, see you in the morning. Well, this was highly unforeseen and unexpected. It has been rainy and windy all night. It's crazy. Hey guys, made it back home, as you can see, obviously. Just as important as it is to, you know, make sure that you have the right gear when you go out camping, you gotta take care of it, right? So we're getting everything all set up. It's a little bit breezy, right? But we don't want anything to be put away soaking wet, because then it's gonna go out moldy and gross, and then you gotta throw it away and buy a new one. So yeah, making sure that you have everything set up, clean, put away the way that it should be after every trip. So that way it's always ready for you the next time you go out. So I got some things to wash. I have coolers to empty and a whole lot of things to dry out because it started raining on us bad. Now we did put most of our gear away last night before it started raining because we knew it was going to be raining, but it didn't stop anything from really getting wet. So just going to make sure everything's put away and dry and clean. So we did get to hit up a pretty dope new campgrounds. Got to go check out a couple of neat little hiking spots, see all sorts of things. Little like waterfall and all that sort of stuff is really cool. So anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate the support, and it really helps me to be able to get out and get you guys more content. Anyways, catch you guys next go around. Midnight sun out. This is what happens when I get back from a camping trip. It even continues inside. It's great.